What's the meaning of brake pad? Brake pad. Brake pad.
Brake pad. Brake pad. A brake pad is a component in a vehicle's braking system that presses against the brake rotor to create friction, which slows and eventually stops the vehicle. As the brake pedal is pressed, hydraulic pressure is generated, which causes the brake pad to clamp down on the rotor and create the necessary friction to slow or stop the vehicle. Brake pads are made from high-friction materials that are designed to withstand the heat and pressure generated by braking, but they wear out over time and must be replaced periodically. Effective brake pads are essential for maintaining vehicle safety and preventing accidents.